How to create a bet365 account. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimo from Help Deck. In today's video I will simply show you how you can create a bet365 account. So just make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to create a bet365 account, open up your browser and in the search box you just want to go to bet365.com. I'll also make sure to drop a direct link in the description box so you can go ahead and then check that out respectively as well. Once you go to bet365, if you do have an account, from the very top right you can tap on the login button, but assuming that you do not have an account, you just need to tap on the join button from the very top of the screen. Once you tap on the join option, you'll enable this form over here which says to open account. So first select your country of residence, select your title, enter your first name and your surname as well. Also make sure to enter your date of birth first of all in the date format, then after that in the month format, and after that you want to simply select your year. Make sure to also enter your contact information such as your email address and your phone number. You can also choose to receive free information on bets and offers, but I'm just going to select no thanks. Make sure you enter all of the characters properly in the address line as well, because this is optional, so I will just leave it out empty and blank. After that, make sure to enter your correct postcode, and after that you also need to create your login, which means you have to select a username for yourself. So let me just go ahead and then select a specific username for myself, and after that the next step for me is to choose a password. So I'll just go ahead and just choose my password. Once I choose my username and my password, if you have a bonus code you can enter that, or else you can agree to the terms and conditions. Finally, just check once more that whether or not you've filled in all the details correctly, and after you've done so, from the bottom of the screen you'll find the option called join bet365 in the green button, so you just need to tap on it and follow the other on-screen prompts in order to go ahead and then simply create your bet365 account. Now the next step is for you to deposit via any of the payment methods, such as you can set your credit or debit card. If you do have Skrill, you can set up Skrill or Skrill one tap, or if you have NetTeller, if you have PaySafe card, you can also see wire transfer, payment methods information, and so on. So you can, depending upon whatever payment method you have to go ahead and fill in these details accordingly, and from the bottom select the option called acknowledge and deposit. And that's all it takes to go ahead and then create a bet365 account. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.